Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your work properly. Grade 6, previously we have done our reading on page number 76 up to video conferencing. Up to here we have done. Next we are going to read today. Here is FTP, and FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Allows you to exchange files with others on internet. An FTP server allows to upload and download files using FTP files like pictures, like videos, audios. These are the files. Next is Telnet. Telnet allows you to log on to another remote computer and run programs available on that computer. Next, we are going to read about www, World Wide Web. The most popular service provided by internet is World Wide Web. The popularly known as www, World Wide Web, has a vast collection of information on various topics like education, entertainment, science, weather, and much more in the form of websites. Now I will show you here on laptop. I'll open your school website. I will enter address here in the address bar, www.tmss.pk. Your website will be open. This is website of your school. Just within few minutes. Here is your website of your school. Here you can see different material for related to your school, related to your education. Okay, next here is we are reading. Anyone can set up a website on the www about anything that one wishes to share with others. It could be about you, about your school, about your car, or any information you wish to share. A website is simply a collection of documents containing text, graphics, or audio. So www can be used by user to find information provided on the web by others. Here is one. Do you know the most popular service provided by internet is World Wide Web, popularly known as www. World Wide Web has a vast collection of information on various topics like education, entertainment, science, weather, and much more in the form of website. This you have to learn. Next is we are going to read about web browsers. And web browser, commonly known as a browser, is a software which allows you to access and browse through the information online. A browser is required to access the internet. Internet Explorer and Google Chrome are examples of commonly used browsers. If your PC has Windows as the operating system, Internet Explorer might be automatically available on your screen. I will show you here are two browsers. I'm here opening. First browser that I'm opening is Google Chrome. You can see here it is the Google Chrome, and here is the second browser. It is the Internet Explorer that I am opening. Clear? Two browsers I have shown you. Next is Internet Service Provider. In your previous classes you have also read about this. These are the agencies, the companies that provide internet to all the people. Here first read about this browser, commonly known as web browser, commonly known as browser, is a software which allows you to access and browse through the information on the internet. This you have to learn. Internet service providers, popularly known as ISPs, this S will be for providers, are agencies that have installed very powerful computers called servers. Servers are connected to the internet through satellite or other high-speed communication channels. Some popular service providers in Pakistan are Cybernet, QB, etc. These companies provide internet connections to the computer users. The ISP usually give an account which has a unique username and is protected by a password. Password is a secret code which should only be known to the user who owns the username. When you want to use the internet, you can dial up the ISP's number by using a modem and get connected. Fewer technologies like Newer technologies like DSL and wireless internet do not require dialing up. These technologies have a direct connection to an ISP through the modem, are always on. After this, we will do filling the blanks on our book page number 77. Internet is a network of networks. Dash allows us to send and receive messages. Internet, www stands for World Wide Web. Internet Explorer is a browser. www.yahoo.com is a website. Dash allows computer user to have face-to-face communication, video conferencing. On next page we have true false. Chat is used to send messages through computers. It's true. Internet is a global network of computers. True. Telnet allows to log on to a remote computer. True. A browser allots an account with a unique username and password. False. No, this is given by the ISPs. ISP stands for Internet Service Providers. Newsgroup is a communication system used for leaving and retrieving messages. No, newsgroup we use to read about the news. You have to learn this filling the blanks and true false, and you have to do reading of page number 76 to 77. This will be your diary. Allah Hafiz.